Here's how you can make
a Gulab Jamun cookie. Holy.
I can't believe this isn't actually a Gulab Jamun. It tastes like it.
My trainer's gonna murder me.
In the mixing bowl, let's add flour, salt, baking soda, milk powder, and cardamom powder.
Ain't nobody got time for that.
Yo, we got our dry. Let's get our wet. Brown sugar, jaggery, white sugar, butter. Yo, we're desi-fying it up even more. Ghee. And make sure you put your finger in the ghee. So we're gonna cream our butter and our sugar to break down the sugar crystals and also aerate the mixture.
Add a splash of vanilla, 2 eggs.
Use your left hand.
Aha!
No shell, there we go.
Nice.
Oof. Wait, are we allowed to eat raw flour?
100%. Well, there's no flour in it yet.
And now we can add all the dry ingredients. And so after your dough has chilled for 30 minutes, you can portion out your cookies.
So for this recipe, we're gonna make a glaze, and we're trying to mimic the flavors of Gulab Jamun. Into a bowl, powdered sugar, elaichi powder, haldi. Oh,
That was way too much, man.
You know what a haldi glaze?
Add a sprinkle of salt, a tiny splash of rose water. Don't go too crazy with this.
I dare you to pour it from the bottle.
Get on my face, man. And a splash of milk. And for garnish, we'll add some green pistachios.
And then go ahead and glaze.
And let's add some pistachios. Oh man, that's not my cheat day.
It is when Chef Dev comes around.
I'll take one more bite.